Hello everyone, welcome back. I can't wait to draw with you guys, but before we do that, I first would like to say thank you to YouMakeTheWorldABetterPlace.com. They gave me the shirt when I was painting a mural over at Peter Noyes School in Sudbury, Massachusetts. Speaking about Sudbury, it's an amazing town in Massachusetts. I just painted a mural in all 4 elementary schools there. So thank you Sudbury, thank you Noyes School. Alright, so let's choose which item to mash up. As you may recall, there are about 130 to choose from now. Thank you for submitting. Oh, I touched my nose again. We shouldn't be touching that. Our face. Thank you for submitting your mashup requests on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook. Okay, let's choose a random one. Okay, this one is from Kirsten. Wow, she's from Canada. And it's our first international mashup. And she wants us to mash up an elephant and a flower. Let me think, how are we going to do that? Regardless, it's going to be super fun. So I'm going to turn on my projector and I'll go to my document camera and we'll start drawing together. Hold on, please. Okay, as you may recall, no erasing. So, I'm using a Sharpie so I can't erase, and I draw really fast. If you need to pause the video, please do so. And again, you don't have to draw exactly like how I'm drawing this. Okay, I think it'll be best if we start with the trunk. So draw sort of like a curved letter S but really stretched out. Then let's draw the tip of the trunk, which is almost snake-like. Speaking of, just kind of create a snake, okay? And as you may recall, my favorite number is 15. Let's add some details on the trunk. You don't have to do this, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's extend the bottom curved line and let's create a smile now. Because as you may recall, all my characters are happy. Then, let's draw the head. So create sort of like a circle, but it doesn't have to be perfect. There you go. Okay, now let's create the eyes. So as you may remember, most of my characters have one big eye and a smaller one. And yesterday I mentioned Dr. Murray's way of creating the eyes. So draw 2 letter C's inside, a smaller one and a tiny one. Repeat the process and fill them in. So again, you can fill things out later on. Here are the eyes. Let's make this elephant really pretty. Let's add some long lashes. Okay, again, if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. Okay, now let's add some lashes, some petals. So draw one on top. Your petals, they don't have to look like mine. Keep that in mind. 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6th one. Yours, they do not have, your petals do not have to be 6. Okay, now we just drew the flower head. Now let's create the elephant's body. So draw sort of like a bump in the back. This is a lot. So bump, then make it curve for the first leg. Then let's add the leg detail. So draw another S shape like, it almost looks like an ear. Then close the gap. Okay. Then let's draw the cute belly. Okay. Then let's create the other leg. So sort of repeat the first process. And it doesn't have to be perfect. There you go. Isn't she cute already? Then let's create one leg that sort of is up. You know, this is kind of complicated. Then let's draw the 4th leg, which is behind. Okay? Now let's add some details on the feet. They're almost petal-like. There you go. Most have 3 4, this only has a third one. We're almost done. Create a tail. I'll make it S-like again. And how about for the tip of the tail, let's be creative and draw a leaf. So we'll keep that flower motif. And I'll sign it. And the elephant flower is complete. Okay, I will turn off my projector. And Kirsten, when you get a chance, please email me your address to smileyb@bataclan.com. And if you haven't done so, you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you'll know when a new episode is released. As you may know, I tape every day. I do a drawing demo every single day. Okay, this is it. Have a nice weekend. Happy Friday. You know, while social distancing, every day seems like a weekend, and I guess that's kind of like a good thing. Everything's so surreal, but everything will be great after this as well. Okay, I'm signing off. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Bye.